You grab the Ryobi Hover Disc, that glowing, floating puck that promises hoverboard-style gliding on carpet, hardwood, even tile, and step on it expecting smooth, magical glide. Instead, you wobble, the disc drifts unpredictably, and you ask yourself, is this thing actually safe and fun, or a toy that overpromises? Welcome to GigaBits, where we test gadgets, hover toys, and consumer gear so you don't waste money hoping for thrills. Today, I'm putting Ryobi Hover Disc through real-world tests to discover whether it lives up to the hype in 2026 or if it's just a flashy gimmick. I spent 5 days testing the Hover Disc on multiple floor surfaces: hardwood, laminate, short pile carpet, and smooth tile. I tried turns, quick stops, sliding motions, and weight shifts. I noted balance, control, stability, and slip resistance. I wore regular shoes, sneakers, and socks. I also compared it with similar hoverpuck toys and small balance boards to see how it holds up. After repeated trials and a few uncomfortable slips, I can share exactly what this disc delivers and what it fails to deliver. Ryobi advertises the Hover Disc as a futuristic toy. Hover glide motion, easy control, suitable for kids and adults, versatile across floors, and built for smooth riding fun. They show demos of people gliding effortlessly and making sharp turns. But can a flat disc really create the kind of hover sensation they're selling? Is it stable enough for real use? And is it safe enough to ride regularly? Or is it more likely to send you sprawling onto the floor? Step 1. Glide and movement performance. On bare hardwood and tile, the Hover Disc does allow a gliding motion, a slippery controlled slide when standing still. Movement forward and backward works okay, but as soon as you try turning or shifting weight quickly, the disc lurches unpredictably. The hover effect is more like sliding on ice with no traction than controlled riding. Step 2. Surface compatibility. Laminate and hardwood are the most usable surfaces. On carpet, especially medium to thick pile, the disc barely moves. On tile, the slide feels smooth but dangerously quick, too slippery for safe control. That means the Hover Disc is highly surface dependent, limiting where it can even be used. Step 3. Stability and safety. Balance is a big challenge. Even a small misstep causes the disc to slip out unexpectedly. I experienced 2 near falls while wearing sneakers, and socks made it even worse. There is no braking system. Stopping means jumping off quickly before control is lost. This makes it risky, especially for kids or beginners. Step 4. Build quality and durability. The shell feels light and plastic, not heavy-duty. Under pressure and repeated use, the bottom pads wear quickly and start to glide erratically. For heavier adults or repeated use, the disc feels like it could crack or lose smoothness over time. It doesn't have strong grip pads or adjustable height for balance, which limits longevity. Step 5. Fun factor versus real use. As a brief novelty, say a quick 5-minute slide on hardwood, the fun is there. But as a regular toy or transport device? Not really. The thrill lasts only a few tries before slips, safety concerns, and unpredictable behavior take over. It fails to provide consistent, repeatable fun. So, is the Ryobi Hover Disc real or fake? It's real enough to provide a brief sliding novelty, but it's not reliable for regular use, stable gliding, or safe fun. The product works only under narrow conditions, and many of the marketing claims, smooth control, safe gliding, versatile floor use, are exaggerated. Pros: provides a slippery slide on smooth floors, light and portable, easy to store, fun for quick novelty rides, especially indoors. Cons: highly unstable, poor balance and high risk of falls, poor performance on carpet or uneven floors, no braking or safety control, cheap plastic build, durability issues, fun is short-lived, not suitable for daily or serious use. Bottom line, the Ryobi Hover Disc rarely delivers the hoverboard dream. It's a toy for brief amusement on the right type of floor, but it's neither safe nor reliable enough to consider a real alternative to skates, hoverboards, or serious balancing toys. If you want occasional fun, it might work. but treat it as a novelty, not a lasting investment. If this review helped you decide whether the Ryobi Hover Disc is worth your money, hit like and subscribe to GigaBits. Comment below. Would you try it on hardwood or tile, or skip it because of safety concerns? Thanks for watching GigaBits, where your gadgets and toys get real verdicts.